Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the stone Diamond, the stone of light and manifestation. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, getting to know its energy, and how you connect or don't with that particular gemstone. And today we're going to be doing that with Diamond. And if you haven't already watched the video, Improving Your Life with Diamond, or the top 4 crystal healing benefits of Diamond, then I will link to that in the eye above. And I invite you to pause this video for a minute and go watch that one. It's not very long, so that you can get a feel for the healing and supportive benefits of Diamond before we sit in this guided meditation today. Now, if you have some diamond jewelry, then I do recommend that you go find some of it if you're not already wearing it, and set that beside you so that you can hold it during the meditation. But if you don't have diamond, then you can still benefit from this meditation by picturing it in your mind, just a bright, sparkly, shimmery gemstone. And if you imagine that in your mind, if any of the prompts that I bring up in the guided meditation today kind of really speak to you, they feel comfortable, or they trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some and sit and work with it some more. Now, if you are new to the channel, or if you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, when I do hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to start a weekly live stream in which you can ask me gemstone related questions, whether it's meditation or gemology, rock tumbling, or what situations are good for that particular gemstone. You can ask me anything. So if you're watching my videos, you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. And then when I get to 5,000, then we'll start doing some weekly interactive videos. So the final thing that you'll need before we get started in this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that can be on the cushion, on the floor, in a chair, on a couch, or sitting outside directly on the ground. The most important is that you're able to sit comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes as we go through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to your breathing and just watch how it feels to breathe today. What does it feel like for you right now? And then bring your awareness to your physical body and see how it's doing right now. Are there any physical sensations that you notice? Any discomfort or tensions or anything that stands out to you? And then notice the state of your emotions and your mind. And we're not trying to change anything or make it any certain way. We're just checking in at this beginning of this meditation to see how you're feeling right now. What is your current state? Without judgment, just watching. And then bring your attention to those places on your body that are touching the chair or the floor or the ground beneath you. And just remember that you are sitting directly connected to the earth, even if it's through the floor, and you're sitting on top of the entire earth, sitting directly over its center, connected to all of its energy. So remember that the earth will support you and protect you during this meditation today. And if you have your diamond, then pick that up, or if you're already wearing it, then just feel over the surface of that stone. And, feel its cut, size, weight, how it feels in the setting that it's in. And take a minute to get to know your diamond jewelry. This is jewelry that sometimes we wear every single day and don't really remember or consider, and it's time to actively focus on it. And if you don't have diamond, then picture an image of a diamond, sparkly and bright and shiny in your mind. And notice if there's any change in your body, emotions, and mind since you've been focusing on the diamond. Then imagine a bright white light shining out from the top of your head, from your crown chakra, and it's bright and it's shimmery and it's got bits of like shimmery glitter in it. And that light expands to hold all of your being. Just bright, brilliant, and shimmery, and it's holding you, your entire body. And then sit with this image of diamond energy for a minute. Diamond is the stone of light and manifestation. And as you sit here, focusing on your diamond or the diamond in your mind, then consider the following scenarios and how they may be appropriate to your current life situation right now or not. Are you hoping to attract abundance and positive opportunities into your life right now? Are you working on manifesting something specific into your life? Is this a time of planning and envisioning your future? Maybe this is a difficult time in your life right now, and you could use some extra hope and light and brightness. Are you ready to commit more to your current relationship or to take the next step? This doesn't have to be a formal step, but if you feel like you're ready to mentally commit more, is this a time in your life that you're doing that? Now, Diamond supports all of these situations and scenarios in our lives. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart and to your body. And let's sit with that for another couple of minutes as you sit with your diamond or picture it in your mind in this scenario. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you touch or picture the diamond. Has anything changed for you? Then bring your awareness back to your body and your mind and your emotions and notice if anything has changed for you since the start of this meditation. It may take a couple of meditations to notice change, and that is totally normal. And then release the image of the diamond energy and the situation you were focusing on, and just come back to your breathing, just breathing. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for this diamond guided meditation. And I hope that it was useful to you. And I hope you decided if diamond is an energy that you'd like to work with some more. And if it is, then this meditation is meant to be repeated either 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really just quickly call up the energy of the diamond whenever you focus on it, wear it, or picture it in your mind so that it's easily accessible when you need it in your life. Because that is the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. Knowing which scenarios you need assistance with, the gemstones that will help you, and using them when you need them. So thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new to the channel, then I discuss a new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post the informational videos about that particular gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you are interested in crystal healing and getting to know a wide variety of gemstones, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I hope to see you again next week.